Hi guys, it's Sweet Tooth. Today we're looking at Everyday Essentials Jumbo Kitchen Towels, and these are from Aldi. So this is a twin pack, 120 sheets, 2 rolls, so that's 240. Okay. Now it says here that I don't, it doesn't say anything about what type of ply it is. I think it is just essentially everyday stuff that you buy when you're going out and about. So I thought I'd give it a little try. I've got some Dettol here. What I'm going to do is just give this microwave a big spray. Alright. See how easy it is to get into this thing. Not too bad. Straight away you can see it's not like other stuff, you know, it's just ripping a bit. So anyway, that could be it because it's the first time. So we've took quite a bit off there. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have a go at giving that a clean, antibacterial. That's that's soaked in the antibacterial spray really well. Alright, so now I'm going to move on to the microwave itself. As you can see, if I actually bring the camera in, it's easier than that. So I always advise to clean a microwave with antibacterial because. Alright, so that's just a quick look at that. So essentially, that's soaked that up really well. I don't think it's like anywhere near as good as sort of Bounty or anything like that, but you're looking at half the price of Bounty, and I think that's a really good little something useful you could have it around the house just for everyday things, for the kids wiping marks, general cleaning, whatever. Good for absorbing grease as well and food. Thanks for watching guys, catch you later.